guys, my name is Andre, and today we're back on another Farland video on another system, test on review of the wall system. So basically something happened to my light. It sort of was broken, so like it'd be really wobbly in this video. So yeah, I need to do something about it. So I'm gonna try something going. It's not working. I'm gonna have to. I might as well just do some other stuff. Try to fix it. But yeah, and so we got this panel right there. It's still being worked on right now currently. And I'm just gonna plug in an 9-volt battery. This is not a new battery, this is like an old one, but it still works. This one. And I'm gonna be testing the system. I got my Commander 3 on Code 3 horn. And for the pole stations, we have the Kidda 278. Dash 1110. Doesn't show it in here, shows it in the back. But I was gonna order it's a double action. And we'll be testing this today. And for the second pole station, you have a BD12. Oh, you're saying, this is a regular BD12 like the last system. Well, not necessarily. But it is the same BD12 that I unboxed. But inside here, I actually taped on an LED in here so that whenever you pull the pole station, the LED will go on, like the BD12 LX. And for the alarm is Gentex Commander 3, of course. I can't. Oops. Technical difficulties. Yeah, I think technical difficulties right now. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Wait, it change? No, it's fine. Okay, so wait, why is it turning this bright? Technical difficulties, I guess. I guess it's just normal. Okay. So first pole station we're gonna be testing is the Kidda 278-1110. And yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're gonna silence the alarm. Okay, now we're gonna set the pole station. I don't need a tool for this because I can just unlock it from the back. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. It's falling out. Okay, and then the last pole station we're gonna be testing is the BD12. So yeah. So let's test it. And then I might have to lower the tripod a little bit. I'll lower it actually. I need to lower it because it's actually that BD12 has a feature, so I need to show it on the feature on the channel. So there is a piezo in here, but I'm not hooking it up because whenever that piezo going on with whenever the piezo's on and the alarm is sounding off, it sounds a little weird. But yeah, I guess I just gotta set it off now. In 3, 2, 1. And see, as you can see, the LEDs going on in there. Silence. Can you see? LED going off. As you can see, I'm gonna turn on the light. It's going off. It's going off. And reset it. Okay. And then we're gonna silence panel. Panel's currently on silence mode with the other three. I do have a smoke detector, and I guess I might as well just test it since I'm here. There you go. I'm just gonna. Maybe I'll just turn the light. It's gonna be bright. Anyways, let's go test the detector. It's hard to reach. Weird. Oh. Saw something. No? Press it hard. Oh, there it is. Okay, finally. That took too long. That took too long. That took too long. And yeah, that will be it for this system test. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.